What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Shout out to all those beginner investors and traders out there. Y'all already know who it is, but if you don't, when you got the glow, it's Kavad Ray Valentine. You done pulled up to the block market. This is Hood Money Investing. I wanted to pull up on another stock right now on the block market just because I want to relieve some of that tension because AMC has everybody all riled up with this 100K floor that they're talking about. You know, with the squeezes and the shorts and phantom shares and synthetics and all this talk, I wanted to ease some people's minds talking about SOS. I forgot. SOS is being shorted as well. And there's a few reasons why I think SOS could pop in the near future. I mean, this is just a few of the reasons why I feel like it will as a beginner investor and trader. And I wanted to go ahead and throw some of this info out there to a few of those fellow investors and traders out there that may be looking into SOS. If you don't know what it is, you know, people thought it was a scam, but it actually is a company based in China. And they provide marketing, data, technology, and solutions for insurance companies, emergency rescue services, and other things dealing with, you know, technology, okay? But one of the things that I'm interested in that they do is mining. They mine Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay? The first quarter they mined 42 Bitcoin and 916 Ethereum. This is what they say. And I'm about to get into the reasons why I'm going to deepen my position in SOS, okay? Because they just launched over 6,000 new mining rigs, okay? And they trying to scale up on their crypto mining, you know? So I feel like with that news that just dropped, right? And the fact that Bitcoin just dropped to 39,000, right? I feel like this is giving people opportunities to jump into Bitcoin as well as Ethereum, okay? And with this, because you got to remember just a week and a half ago, Ethereum was at 4,300. Well, it reached a high of 4,300. You see what I'm saying? And Ethereum, with Ethereum 2.0 dropping, what, in like, I think July? Is it June or July? Either or, you know, that's going to speed everything up. And, you know, with everybody that's starting to come into the space of cryptocurrency, I really do believe that SOS has an opportunity to make a move. You know, you got these whales jumping in, all right? And that right there is a clear indication to show us that it might be going down. Okay, right here, as you can see, you know, 2021. You got Wolverine Trading. They bought LLC. They bought 320,000 shares. You know, you got MIC, Chicago LLC, bought 156,000 shares. Okay, and then you got Enlightenment Research. They bought 90,000 shares. And, you know, we could just go down and see the top 10 owners of SOS Limited. So, you know, that right there is giving me some bullish feel. You know, I'm feeling like I got to get my Haagen-Dazs, you know, get my ice cream scoop ready, you know, so I can get this Haagen-Dazs, man, because SOS is being shorted as well. And right now in one of my portfolios, like I said, I can only show y'all a couple, maybe three, because I ain't nobody going to spend a bunch of time trying to hide account numbers and all that other extra, you know. But right now in my Robinhood account, I have 300 shares of SOS Limited. My average price target, my average cost is, $4.98. I have 300 shares. I'm actually down 35%. I got 10 contracts as well for August and January. So, you know, I'm definitely digging in there when because I really believe SOS might make a move. You know, it's, you know, I mean, I'm looking at it like Riot, Mira, you know, and after Riot made the move that it did, and a friend of mine told me about it back when it was $6 and $7, I really can't make that mistake of missing out on SOS Limited. And this is just after doing a little bit of homework on it, So, and I know that they've increased their like revenue, I think 300% in the last like month, if I'm not mistaken, as well, or in the last within the last quarter. So I think SOS Limited, man, is definitely going to pop, man. As you can see, I got a little bit of news pulled up just to kind of go ahead, and I was going over a little bit of the information earlier today. As you can see, market cap is at 579 million. Might be a little bit higher than that. It's definitely higher than that. I think this is old. Well, it's definitely showing a share price for today. But yeah, man. It's definitely ready, man. I think SOS Limited is look at that here. SOS limited stock pops today after reporting better than 300% revenue growth. Yeah. I'm going. What happened in insurance marketing company SOS Limited just reported full year financial results for 2020. To see, this is a last year. This is a report. This is an old report. That's not what I'm looking for. News. Let's see. Hmm. 6,000 mining rigs. Okay. Including a batch of 575 Ethereum mining rigs received on May 7th, 2021, and another batch of 5,464 rigs for the third and final installation of our rig purchase received in April. Yeah, man. And with the institutions that's jumping in, I think that, SOS will definitely, jump up to 15, 20 bucks, in the next few months. I think that's definitely a good look, especially at, this price. Just at my average cost here, $4, why not, man? I mean, I could see it, before the end of the year out reaching 40 bucks, 50 bucks. And it could explode. I mean, with, Bitcoin dropping the way that it has, and all the people that see blood in the streets that are going to jump in like it's a fire sale, like it's going out, like it's like Bitcoin going out of business, what I mean? They going to grab the wheelbarrow and go up in there and wheelbarrow Bitcoin out of there, what I'm saying? So with people doing that, and with Ethereum right now, and the potential that these two have at the moment, especially Ethereum, because it's been running a lot more than Bitcoin, So with that in mind, SOS has the potential, to make a move like Riot, in my opinion. It may not go as high because it's not as popular as a Mirror or a Riot, but it's definitely being slept on, and, with it operating, them operating on the Ethereum blockchain, and with that 2.0 upgrade, that speed and everything else that's coming. Man, I think, with the little bit of knowledge that I do have, a little bit of understanding that I do have about blockchain, mining, and these companies that do mine, and the connection, I really do see SOS being undervalued, and I see people, passing it to the side for those popular mining companies. So I wanted to, just shine some light on SOS Limited, because everybody got the panties in a bunch with this AMC thing, man. You can barely talk about it, you can't even give your opinion. You got people over there just like, yo, man, jump off a bridge, yo. You know what I'm saying? Hang yourself with the back of your underwear, man. And I mean, I gotta like erase these comments, man, because I'm not, there's no negativity over here.
You're bringing all this negativity, man. Come on. You know? But yeah, man, I just want to talk about SOS Limited and all. So how you guys feel about that? Please leave down in the comment box. This is Block Market. This is Hood Money Investing. It's Kaviri Valentine, and just pull up, subscribe, I'm out of here, man.
They out there panicking right now. I can feel it. They out there. They're panicking. Look at them.
Now, you're not naive enough to think we're living in a democracy, are you, buddy? It's the free market. And you're part of it.
Something just came across my desk, John. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 6 months. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the idea with you. You got a minute?
After everything we've done for you.
Oh, see, I made Lewis a bet here. Lewis bet me that we couldn't both get rich and put y'all in the poorhouse at the same time. He didn't think we could do it. I won.
I lost. $1.
Thank you, Lewis.
After you.
Certainly.